Michelle Turner, and I've been here for about a month. I was really searching for something. My hair had been thinning for probably close to a decade, and I'd gotten tired of having to hide it in my own ways. And so I did some searching, and I had heard about this place from a friend of mine. And when I looked it up on the internet, I just made the appointment and said, it's time. It's been amazing. Leslie is absolutely amazing. She makes you feel comfortable, confident about, the decisions that you're making, and she helps you with all of that, and it's been wonderful. Yeah, she absolutely did. She had just one of the pieces that she had in the office. I had come in with a baseball cap, which is how I always would go out in public, and I felt very comfortable taking that hat off because I knew that she was going to be able to do something for me. And when she put that piece on, it was just like, okay, even though it wasn't, directly for me, just seeing it on my head and kind of realizing what could possibly it look like once I, came in, it was amazing. It's been different. It takes some getting used to. This is the hair that I had when I was like 20 some years old, and so over the years, with having children and changes in your body and stuff like that, and the thinning hair, you just kind of get used to how you look. So this has taken a little bit to get used to how I look, but my husband absolutely loves it and says that I look like I did when we were first married. So I love it. It has totally improved it. I know they always say that a woman's hair is her crown, and when you're not feeling as confident as you used to, and something as simple as hair just makes a huge difference for someone's confidence, and I absolutely love it. It's different. It's definitely different. When I don't have this on, my hair is extremely thin. It takes seconds to wash it and dry it. This is a little bit more time intensive, but well worth it. And it washes just like regular hair. I can condition it, I can blow dry it, I can style it. Pretty much anything you can do with what I had before, but at least it actually stays. Whereas before, my hair was so thin that it would never hold a curl or anything like that, and it didn't style very well. Do it. Absolutely do it. Take that step and just do it. You will be amazed as to what they can do for you. And they do it so discreetly. I love the fact that when I come in, you're not sitting out, in the waiting room for other people to see you or see, what's going on with your hair, but they get you right in, and it's very discreet, but Leslie and the whole staff is just so good about making you feel absolutely wonderful in your hair.